Hi and welcome. In this video, we will learn how to create a zero-based budget in a simple and easy way. If you feel like your money disappears every month, this video is for you. Let's take control of your money together step by step. A zero-based budget means you give every dollar a job. When you finish planning, your income minus your expenses should equal zero. That does not mean you have zero money. It means every dollar is planned for bills, saving, or spending. For example, if you earn $2,000, you plan exactly how you will use that $2,000. Nothing extra and nothing wasted. Zero-based budgeting helps you. Stop guessing where your money went. Save more money. Avoid overspending. Pay off debt. Feel in control. It works for anyone whether you earn a little or a lot. The first step is to write down all your income. This is the total money you receive every month from your job, side gigs, or other sources. Example: job income $2,000, freelance income $500, total income $2,500. Next, write down all your expenses. Start with the basics: rent or mortgage, food and groceries, utility bills, transport. Then list the extra things: subscriptions, shopping, entertainment, eating out. Add everything you spend money on. Now match your income with your expenses. You want the total of all your expenses to equal your total income. This way, every dollar is used. Example: income $2,500, rent $1,000, food $400, transport $200, bills $150, fund $250. Savings $300, debt payment $200, total $2,500. Now your budget is balanced and nothing is left unused. After you create your budget, start tracking what you spend. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or free apps like Good Budget, Every Dollar, or Mint. If you spend more in one area, adjust from another. The goal is to stay within your total. At the end of the month, look back at how you did. Ask yourself, did I follow the plan? Where did I overspend? What can I change next month? Then make a new zero-based budget for the new month. Here are some simple tips. Be honest about your spending. Use cash for certain categories to control spending. Set aside money for emergencies. Always give your savings a place in your budget. Review weekly, not just monthly. These small habits make a big difference. Let's take an example. Jane earns $3,000 per month. Her budget looks like this: rent $1,100, groceries $400, utilities $200, transport $300, savings $400, debt $300, fun and entertainment $300, total $3,000. Jane has given every dollar a job. That is zero-based budgeting in action. And that is it. You have just learned how to create a zero-based budget. It is easy, powerful, and it puts you in control of your money. Start today. Try it for 1 month and feel the difference. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more easy money tips.